Hi, in this video, we will break down the gallery and report page on Rolljak. After the session ends, go to the gallery to see all the responses of your participants. On the left, you can navigate through the different activities. On the right, you will find participants' responses for each activity. If collaboration was enabled, you can see how the responses evolved and who contributed to them. If peer evaluation was enabled, you'll be able to see detailed evaluation score given by each participant. Use the reports to get full insight on key performance metrics such as engagement rate and accuracy rate. Assess students' performance on each activity based on the engagement rate, accuracy, and evaluation results. Participant reports will provide information on individual performance. You can export all of the data as a PDF or Excel file, which will then be sent to your email. Get rolling with Rolljak.